Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get Jinu from K-pop Demon Hunters in Avatar world. Jinu is one of the coolest fan favorite characters in K-pop Demon Hunter. And if you want to create the character, you can just follow the steps. So first in Avatar world, you need to just go to the hair salon to find the Jinu character, or the one that looks like Jinu. Okay, so in here you'll see this character in here. Here. So this person's look like Jinu. You can just save this character. Don't forget to click on star here, so it's still safe. Now let's change the hair. So you can just go back in here and find the movie set to change the hair. So after you find the character, you can just change the hair to black, and after that you can go to the makeup shop and change the eyebrow, and after that you can also erase the mole on the character, and after that you can just change the outfit, change the pants, add some jackets or a cardigan, and after that you can also add or give him some earring, and also find the sneakers. So after you do that, you'll get Jinu character from this avatar. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.